Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this lovely Peugeot 108 1.2 PureTech GT Line. Now this vehicle has currently done 44,568 miles and it's finished in the colour Raven Black. It does come with 3 previous services. It's an extremely stylish, well-equipped city car. It sits nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. This Peugeot also features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. In the boot you'll find 227 litres of space, which can be increased to 868 litres with the rear seats down. Underneath the boot floor you also have a handy spare wheel, which is super convenient to have. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have a gorgeous black leather interior with contrasting white stitching. Both of the seats here have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you have volume controls for adjusting the infotainment system, to the right buttons for answering and ending phone calls, and your lane departure warning system. You also have your pre-collision warning system as well, keeping you super safe while you're on the go. In the centre of the dashboard here you do have your touchscreen infotainment system, providing access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB auxiliary input and Bluetooth for playing your own music. In the phone menu here you can pair it with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. There is also smartphone connectivity through USB. Moving on here in the setup, you do have system settings you can access. In your car information, you can see your trip information as well as past records. Now this Peugeot does come with a reverse camera to make reversing much easier. Down below you'll find your air conditioning, which is very easy to use. You do have your 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary inputs, and your 2 cup holders there. Your 5-speed manual gear selector here in the centre. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.